everybody watching this video. With great pleasure, we, the students, teachers and management of Carmel Public School present this virtual science exhibition exclusively for the exposure of the students. Like every year, this year also, our school creates the space to exhibit our students' scientific talents. We have not compromised in nurturing their skills. Our teachers encouraged us to take part in this virtual exhibition so that we won't lag in our scholastic excellence. We urge you all for your support and cooperation throughout the academic year. This encouragement you give for the students paves way for our school's establishment. Kindly view this video and support us forever. Thank you.
Greetings from Carmel. A hearty congratulations to Carmel School Science team for conducting the very successful virtual science exhibition. Everything was very well organized and coordinated. I really appreciate the hard work of teachers, the cooperation of students and support of parents. Exploring and discovering the creativity of young minds was a delightful experience. Thank you, students, for taking the opportunity to showcase the talent. Congratulations to all the winners and the participants. Here is the much awaited result of virtual science exhibition. Class 1, first place goes to Dion Patrick 1A. Second place goes to Miraculin P 1D. Third place goes to Hasini GM 1B. Class 2, first place goes to Ledika H of 2C. Second place is shared with Dakshinya J of 2C and Hansi Anlet V of 2C. Third place also shared together by Nivedita Lakshmi M of 2A, Kridisha D of 2C. Class 3, first place goes to Catherine Olivia JS of 3D. Second place, Ritika Amar VN 3A and third place goes to Ranesh R of 3B. Class 4, first place goes to Gabriel P of 4C. Second place, Prarthana Srinidhi SGG of 4A. Third place goes to Lijit Roshan M of 4A. Class 5, first place goes to Sharvakrishandini G of 5A. Second place goes to Janani Shri H of 5A. And third place is shared by Sara and Evelyn V of 5B, Aaron Ashwant H of 5C, Niranjana H of 5D. Class 6, first place goes to Maria Vaishali S of 6B. Second place goes to Arvind S of 6C and third place Sri Vardhini A of 6A. Class 7, first place goes to Rakshana P of 7A. Second place Niveda Krishna VS 7C. Third place Pujashri SM of 7B. Class 8, first goes to Tarun P of 8A. Second place Akshay Lakshmi M of 8A and third place goes to Yarini S of 8B. Once again, congratulations to all the winners and thank you for the cooperation of teachers. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day.
Healthy food has lot of nutrients and essential for proper growth.
The wastage of plastic creates water pollution and air pollution.
Let's see few search herbs of our home. This is Tulasi. It is called as Queen of Herbs. It serves as a natural immunity booster and reduces fever. This is Tooduvalai. It is very good medicine for getting strength and energy in the body. And it is best.
The herbs are tulasi, aloe vera, coriander, spinach, ajwain, mint, turmeric, ginger.
This is aloe vera. Aloe vera gel get from leaves of the plant. This is mint. Mint used for dental care. This is Mexican mint. Mexican mint used for asthma. Thank you.
Oregano is called Karpuravalli in Tamil. It helps in eliminate the mucus from respiratory system. Boost the immunity. Keep the kidneys healthy. Thank you.
D. Rich in papaya. Vitamin E. Rich in cucumber. Vitamin K. Rich in carrot. Tomato. Onion. Banana.
Wood, liquid. It has a fixed volume but not a fixed shape. For example, milk, blood, water.
State of matter, any substance that occupies space and mass is called matter. There are three types of matter: solid, liquid, gas. Kutubina is octagonal in shape and tower is octagonal prism on top on each other. This is made on purpose in order to develop strength in such a tall structure.
Time. When we wake up in the morning, we first see the clock for our daily routines. Time is also a part of maths to complete our work.
The playground is rectangular shaped playground. It is 91.44 meters long and 55 meters wide.
DVD means digital versatile disc. It stores from 4.7 GB to 20 GB. A memory card. A memory card is also called as flash card.
Computer memory has two memories. That is primary memory and secondary memory. Let us go into detail about primary memory. Primary memory has two units. That is RAM and ROM.
E-waste management is divided into two types. They are responsible reuse, responsible recycle. Responsible reuse. There is another way to reduce e-waste is to redeploy existing items to new ones.
E-waste can be managed by 3 steps: reduce, reuse, recycle. To reduce, we have to reuse and recycle.
Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. It first released on October 25, 1983 under the name of Multiple Tool Word.
Renewable energy means the energy which we create again and again. There are three types of renewable energy: wind energy, solar energy, hydroelectricity.
Energy from the sun. Biomass energy is the natural energy that use electricity from plants.
Agriculture. Agriculture and farming are one of the few jobs in India that has no holidays vacation, unlike the jobs in the corporate world.
Of global warming.
Global warming is the gradual heating of Earth's surface, oceans and atmosphere which is caused by human activity. Primarily, the burning of fuels, the pump of carbon dioxide, methane and other gases into atmosphere part of the reason of global warming.
It avoids chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Uses of compost manure, green manure, bone meal and natural mineral powders. Types of organic farming: eco farming, natural farming, biofarming, biodynamic farm.
Water, solar energy, wind energy. Solar energy. The energy given by the sun is called solar energy. Wind energy. Wind energy is used to generate electricity, operate windmills, draw underground water. Thank you. When I push the plunger of one syringe, the water in the syringe is pushed out. The pushed out water forces the water in the connecting tube to move into the connecting syringe. To make space for the water in the connecting syringe, the plunger of the connecting syringe moves outward. This movement causes my crane to lift, rotate or grab.
And there will be two forces acting. The first force is giving and giving here. And the second force is the ball bounced and gone down. This is the second force acting on this object. The first force I created was in the force of downwards, but the ball jumped upwards. So there is an opposite direction of force acting. The size of the force on the first object equals the size of the force on the second object.
The falling water makes the turbine to turn drive generator, and the generator makes the mechanical energy of turbine into electricity, and thus the light glows. Thank you.
Good day to you all. I hope you all have had a quality time by watching this video. I feel proud to be accompanied by all our talented friends who have exhibited their skills in the science exhibition. I thank our correspondent and principal who have provided platform for our students to explore in large extent in this pandemic. We are very much grateful to our teachers who extend their support continuously in taking part in all the virtual programs. I thank all the teachers who have worked hard in the technical proceedings of this streaming for this video. I thank all the parents for their immense support to make this science exhibition a fair event in the school history. Finally, I thank who all have watched this video. Thank you.